Hey guys, Ron Mowen, owner of Vengeance Racing here. Wanted to share some information with you on some new things happening at Vengeance Racing. One of them being something I'm extremely excited about and has been a long time in the making is our new maintenance division. We have created a maintenance division for not only our customers, but for vehicles modified at other facilities, vehicles that have been modified by you personally, stock vehicles, or even those people that are just looking for a place to have their vehicle serviced and maintained that gives you a higher level of service and attention to detail that you don't typically find at most of the chains that are out there. For those of you that aren't aware, Vengeance Racing was founded in 2006, and we opened our doors because we wanted to give people a better experience when modifying their vehicles. We wanted to offer a state-of-the-art facility that was always clean and detailed. We wanted to employ higher caliber technicians and staff that would enable us to provide a better product to our clients. And we wanted to focus on extreme attention to detail to just set ourselves apart from the other performance shops in the industry. We're going to take that same approach with our maintenance division. We're going to have an extremely talented staff on board ready to service your needs day one. We are going to know where to rack your vehicle when going on a lift, know your specific lift points for your vehicle, no concern with pulling up to a random chain and wondering if the guy knows how to take care of your vehicle, how many quarts of oil it requires, the specific lift points, things of that nature. We use a 3M protective film on any surfaces that we're going to be touching while your vehicle is in our care. And we want to set ourselves apart and give people looking for general maintenance a place to call home. So part of that process in finding the right people, we have had the right person in our back pocket for, I would say, over a decade now. Jacob has been working with Vengeance Racing behind the scenes for many, many years. He has done all of our road race alignments, all of our drag race specific alignments, a lot of mounting and balancing, and we've been eager to get Jacob on the team and in our facility. We just didn't have the space to do so until recently. We acquired the building beside our existing facility, and we are expanding, adding another 7,000 square foot to our footprint. And this allows us to bring Jacob in-house and bring the maintenance division to life. So Jacob, why don't you tell us a little bit about who you are and what you've done for the past decade or more?
Well, as Ron said, my name's Jacob Barnes, and I've been in the area for around 20 years now. I started in the industry around 2006. I'm an ASC certified master mechanic. I've been ASC certified for a little over 15 years. Going in and performing and having that attention to detail counts when you have these high caliber cars coming through the shop. Performance vehicles is my passion, and that's what's led me here today.
It's been like that for nearly 10 years working together, hasn't it?
It has.
Yeah. So our scope here would be to pull Jacob out of the general public where dealerships and chains just accept any random vehicle that needs service work and whatnot, and allow him to turn wrenches and focus his time and attention on late model domestic performance vehicles. So that's what we're going to start off with as a company or as a division to get this thing off the ground. Doesn't matter if it's a Camaro, a Corvette, a Mustang, a Viper, a Hellcat, you name it, trucks, F-150s, Silverados, late model domestic performance, car, truck, or SUV. It can be modified by Vengeance, it can be modified elsewhere, it can be completely stock, and you just want a nice place to call home, that you know your car is serviced properly, ethically, and taken care of in the manner that you need it to be. A couple of services we're going to offer. We're going to go outside the scope of a normal chain maintenance company. We are going to offer pre-purchase inspections. We're going to offer pre-race inspections. You've got an event coming up and you just want to have the car looked over, oil changed, compression, leak down, or just a full vehicle inspection. We're going to offer those. We're also going to do the same for post-event you go out and spend a weekend racing and you need it serviced afterwards or just inspected and noted of any deficiencies, we're going to be happy to offer that. Because we have chassis dynamometers in-house, we are going to offer dyno testing with data logging so that we can confirm your vehicle's performance, whether, again, stock or modified, show you the power the car is making, review the data logs with you, and share that information to make you an informed owner. Oil changes, we are going to offer a filter cut and inspection with every oil change. We'll literally cut the oil filter open, spread the filter media out, and then inspect that for any debris or contamination, that would give us an indication of any premature engine wear to avoid catastrophic failure. We also work with Blackstone Laboratories, where we can set up oil analysis for you guys so that you can see trending metals and whatnot within your engine oil to confirm engine health and pick up on things before they happen. Normal routine maintenance, fluids, spark plugs, brake systems, suspension, stock or aftermarket. If you come in and your car needs a set of shocks, we can look at OE replacements or we can look at upgrading. Happy to do that. We have purchased a new tire mounting and balancing setup, brand new state-of-the-art equipment, so that we can offer wheel and tire selections for you guys. We are a vendor for pretty much every major wheel manufacturer and all major brand tires out there. So we can certainly help with that and get you upfitted with the latest and greatest. We are purchasing in the very near future a Hunter in-ground alignment system. So we'll be able to bring alignments in-house as well. This has been one of Jacob's specialties with us, setting up our drag race and road race spec alignments over the years. He has never let us down. We got IRS cars in the 1/160 foot on stock suspension, and it is because of this man's skill set here. So lots more to come. Stay tuned. But if you would like to book appointments, we are accepting appointments now. We will go live with our maintenance division on July 7th. That would be our first appointment date. You can reach us by emailing maintenance@vengeanceracing.net, or you can give us a call, 678-513-7105. Ask for Jacob or maintenance, or you can visit us at our facility, which is 241 Castleberry Industrial Drive, Cumming, Georgia, 30040. We look forward to servicing your vehicles, giving you a place to trust and call home, and know that your vehicle will be in the utmost care and that you'll be taken care of in the best way possible. Thank you.